Today in Adobe Illustrator, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a circle. Okay, first thing you're going to do is go over here and you see the square right here. You hold on to it, or you can click it, double click it, hold on to it, and go to Eclipse. Eclipse is circle in Adobe. So what we're going to do is make a circle, but here's one thing about making a circle in Adobe. You do this and it like make a weird shape, right? You get selection tool, it's weird shapes, right? But if you hold shift and then you click the mouse down and you pull, it'll make a perfect circle in a way. So you got to do is hold shift, and click and pull and drag. So push delete that. So what I'm gonna do right now is one thing you can do to center the circle is to click the circle in the background circle, go to window and go to align. And when you click align, delete this. When you click align, this tool will make it like put it in the center from the middle. And then you go to here. So it'll be right dead in the center. See, center. And that's it. That's all you have to do for Adobe Illustrator. Stay tuned and keep watching my videos. You'll learn